welcome back to my channel. So it is so early right now and I am about to go apartment hunting. This is like day 3 of trying to find an apartment. But my hair is super fuzzy because I did not wrap it last night and my twists are unraveling, so I'm about to put this wig on. So it's supposed to be a wear and go wig from Unice, and you're literally just supposed to take it out the box and put it on. Of course you have to like fix the part a little bit, and like if it's all like humped up you need to flatten it out and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to throw this on and hopefully it is a wear and go because y'all know I'm always rushing, and my first appointment is at 11 o'clock and it's a little bit away from here, so I need to hurry up. So I'm about to just take these twists out really quick and put my hair in 2 little braids. Literally really quick. So I'm not going to do the ball cap method today because it's supposed to be wear and go, and that's not wear and go. So this is what the unit looks like fresh out. The lace is cut and it has grips along the whole side, so that's new. I've only seen it like in the back or on the actual band, but it has grips going all the way around, so that's supposed to, I guess, hold it in place. It has the band, it has 2 clips on the side and 1 clip in the back. Okay, we about to see. We are about to see. So I wanted to show you guys a close-up of the lace, and look how good they cut it. Like, it looks so freaking good. But I did also want to mention that the knots are not bleached on this unit, but they're single strand knots, so they're really tiny, so that's why I didn't bother doing it, but you can. And I'm going to put my wig grip on because it's supposed to be glueless, but you know, just for a little bit extra security. So this is the one that has the lace on it. So I'm going to add a little bit of powder to the lace, and that is it. Put it on so we can see exactly what it looks like.
I haven't seen you in a long time. Almost been a year since you broke my heart and tore me apart. Oh, yeah. I've been working on myself, trying to move on.
This is what it looks like. Just put right on my head, y'all. Just powder the lace and put right on top of my head. So I'm going to go ahead and just fix the part up a little bit, and then if I need to do anything else, we'll do that. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit of water and my curl cream to my hair, or to the hair.
Looking up at someone else, trying to forget and get you out of my head. No, I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me.
Okay, so I want to take a little bit of mousse and I want to just like slick this back, and then I'm going to tie it down for a second.
On my phone, thought I was clear. I'm not your friend, I'm not the only. You think I'm the same, but you don't even know me. So I don't know why you keep calling me. What makes you think I would go back? Why would I?
So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and go over the parting while I have this part tied down.
Wanna try again, you're not listening. No, you keep saying you changed, but we both know people don't change. It's time to let me go. Why won't you leave me alone? I deleted all your messages, cause it only reminds me of the past. But you're still drunk texting me when you're lonely. I don't know why you keep calling me on my phone.
I'm going to add a little bit more concealer going down for the part that was covered. And I'm heading out, y'all. I'm not going to even add anything else. So I was going to add my perfect line to the part, but I don't even think I'm going to do that because nobody should be close to me. And then when I come home, I'll do it because y'all know right now I'm kind of rushing a little bit, but it looks fine to me. I can come home and pull it off, put my perfect line in, put it back on, go outside, come home, take it off. Like, I love wigs like this. This is really why I used to love closure wigs so much, because you could just put them on, take them off, put them on, take them off. And if you really want to melt it down, all you need to do is take a little bit of holding spray and hit it, tie it for like 5 minutes, and then you're more secure, especially if you don't have a wig grip. But this is it. I really love the curl pattern on this. It really is a wear and go. It really is. The lace is cut perfectly. Like, it's cut close enough to the hairline to where you can't see the extra lace, and it has the little grooves in it for people who don't know how to like cut it like that. So I think that's perfect. I think this is a really, really good beginner friendly wig. All closure wigs for the most part, especially if they're HD lace and they come cut for people who are scared to cut. So yeah, this gets a thumbs up for me. And what time is it? And I got hell time, y'all. It's only 9:30. It's only 9:30. I didn't have to leave the house till 10. It's only 9:30. It really is a wear and go. So yeah, this video might be a little short. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
Thought I was clear.